Really quick pointers on what we're going to explore over the next 2 weeks is how to build how to base your eating, your plate around a whole food plant-based diet. Make the most of your meal, vegetables and fruits. Then make the next portion legumes or beans or a really small amount of meat if that's what you're having, no bigger than the palm size of your hand, a small amount of fruit, a small amount of nuts, good fats, avocados. That's really about it. Also, lunch and dinner, they're interchangeable. So what you make for dinner one night can be a snack the next night. And you can eat the same meal that you ate, a couple of nights. Just replace the carbohydrates, have rice instead of sweet potato or potatoes instead of barley. So it's just changing up those ideas. Okay, looking forward to this fortnight. See ya.